Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm Kristen Gatesman, your host for Inside Horry County Schools. And by this time, we are proud to say that every single one of our Horry County School middle school students has access to one of these. This is an iPad, obviously, and we had an initiative our district did to make sure that every single middle school student had one of these in their hands that they could use during class time. It makes class time more engaging. It really helps our teachers get automatic results and see how the students are doing, plus a lot of other things. So today on the show, we'll show you how smoothly the distribution process went and also talk to you a little bit about how safe the usage of these iPads are for our middle school students. And also, I know it's winter time, it's kind of bleak and dreary, but we're going to be airing something on HCS TV through the month of March, which is Music Appreciation Month, that maybe will lift your spirits. It's our all-county ensembles. In fact, we'll give you a taste of what that's going to sound and look like on this edition of the show. Plus, we'll introduce you to our new 10 semifinalists for Teacher of the Year. That's right. Our Horry County Schools Teacher of the Year process is well underway. We do have our 10 semifinalists, and we'll introduce you to those teachers in a little while. So stay tuned, don't change the channel, and come with us as we take you inside Horry County Schools. Every Horry County School middle school student now has their own iPad to use in classrooms.
They're following directions really well. It's really just a step-by-step process. So it's just basically a lot of following instructions to make sure that the iPads are going to work with our networks, to make sure that the kids are going to be able to get exactly what they need from them. So yeah, the kids are doing a great job.
We've had teachers and district office staff helping students get their accounts set up and making sure this new technology not only enhances their education, but is safe.
They're on a secure network, so that they're subject to the same blocks that the classroom computers are.
And by next year, our high schools will also have a personalized digital learning device in the hands of every high school student. Need something to help with the winter blues? How about some really great live music? And you can actually catch the All-County Band Ensemble concert on Friday, February the 14th at 5:45 at Aner High School. And of course, we'll air all 3 of the All-County Ensemble concerts through the month of March. And these 10 teachers are now our Horry County Schools top 10 semifinalists for Teacher of the Year. Pam Jackson, Academy for Technology and Academics. Holly Barnes, Conway High School. Leslie Etherson, North Myrtle Beach High School. Beth Cox, St. James High School. Kayla Maxwell, Forest Brook Middle School. Lindsay Reynolds, Loris Middle School. Kristen Giraldi, North Myrtle Beach Middle School. Kim Inman, Forest Brook Elementary School. Ryan Gerald, Green C. Floyd's Elementary School. And Jessica Armstrong, Midland Elementary School. These teachers will now go through panel interviews and also present examples of student progress. From that, our 5 Teacher of the Year finalists will be chosen. The 2014 Teacher of the Year will be announced at our annual banquet on April the 29th. Thanks so much for joining us, and of course don't forget that you can catch the Horry County Schools All-County Ensembles that will air on HCS TV in the month of March. And of course, thank you so much for taking time to learn a little bit more about your school district. And come with us next time we take you inside Horry County Schools.